sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So imatch elandelayo Bafana bayodlala against iCanada. So niyalwazi kudaba Bafana ikwazile ukuthi-ke idlule kwi-next round ye-World Cup. Le match-ke le bafethu njengoba siyodlala nje i-last 32 ibaluleke kakhulu-ke now because uma-ke siyiwine le game lesizokwazi ukuthi-ke siye ku-last 16. Kwi-last 16 ilapho khona sesiyodlala nje sekulula phambili. Yabo kuzobe seduze kahle phambili, not lula. Kuzobe sekuseduze phambili but-ke i-stage-ke sa-last 16 sizobe sinzima because sizosibeka kuma-quarter final. But-ke nayo le game lesiyoyidlala asingayithathi kancane. I-game ezobe inzima indlela eyisimanga because you are going to play against the host nation okuyi-Canada bafethu. Remember we played against Mexico before. Mexico-ke asidlalanga kahle against Mexico but-ke I hope the boys bazoyi-understanda and bazoyithatha from leya game leya ye-Mexico. Yabo bazofunda some lessons ku-game ye-Mexico bakwazi ukuthi-ke bayifake ekhanda going to this match because le match le even though ingazodlalwa le eCanada izodlalwa le e-USA e-Los Angeles. Yabo I'm sure ama-fans amaningi ase-Canada azobe egcwele kuleya game leya. So kumele senze sure ukuthi-ke njengoba siyodlala we must be mentally prepared ukuthi-ke sidlala nje away from home because there will be more fans of iCanada support. So mina ngalana ngizoshaya nje ilana prediction abajida mina ngokubona kwami abazoyiqala le match le. Yabo so ungayigxeki ilana prediction yami ungitshela wena kuma comments eyakho ilana prediction ibapha abadlali abaqalisa ibapha abadlali ongeke ubaqalise. Yabo nje ibhaleni ke bafethu nyalwazi udaba Ronald Williams umjida uyena engamqalisa kule game le. So far umjida he has been very good for Bafana. He managed to keep a clean sheet for Bafana last game. So going forward I'm expecting ukuthi-ke enze the same thing njengoba siyodlala nje neCanada bafethu, singaconcede igoli elilodwa. Kumele nje sidlule phambili siyobona ukuthi-ke siyodlala noba kwi-last 16. Last 16 kuzoba nzima for Bafana because there are many teams engenzeka sidlale nawo anzima. Yabo maybe Netherlands or Morocco but-ke asazi. But-ke kwi-goalkeeping position I trust yena Ronald Williams masekuthi-ke kwi-defensive partnership nakhona futhi angifuni lokho esishintsha kakhulu lapha nemuva bafethu. The defensive partnership esinayo so far iyasebenzela uku-Ime Ocon benobani na benombekezile Mbokazi. These two center backs they are really doing an exceptional job for Bafana bafethu. Ubani na yabona ukuba khona kwambekezile Mbokazi. I feel like umbekezile Mbokazi he makes each and every defender adlala nalo libukeke kahle and libe ne-game right. Uyakwazi umbekezile Mbokazi ukuthi-ke amcontrol umuntu adlala naye amtshela ukuthi-ke udlala kanjani. Yabo adlale kanjani because I spoke about Ime Ocon ngasho ukuthi-ke yabona i-partnership yakhe benombokazi isayintsha. Yabo kumele siyinikeze isikhathi kancane sithi kuyibona izodlala kanjani because you saw besaqala ukudlala ndawonye amajida babengakathembani babengaka-understandani but eventually as things went on amajida ba-understandana. I'm sure njengamanje nje bawo-roommates bahlala ndawonye. You need center backs ahlale ndawonye understandana because the more be-understandana the more bezodlala kahle bathembane futhi. Yabo omunye mehambile omunye abuya azokhavela omunye. Sidinga into kanjalo ku-defensive partnership. So I trust these two guys ukuthi-ke baqhubeke badlale kahle. Good job from yena u-Ime Ocon last game. Yabo I feel like many people didn't highlight indlela edlala ngayo naye last game. He did an exceptional job umjida obefika if uMbokazi bese ngekho afike azokhava ispace yakho Mbokazi. Masukuthi-ke kuma-wing backs I saw bafethu Modiba last game umjida ngathi-ke wathinteka last game uModiba. I'm really worried about left back position. Yabo I spoke about yena Modiba last game but it seems like umjida wathinteka mfethu kule game. So going forward kuzoba nzinyana. Maybe we must prepare uCross because uCross ngenzeka adlale next game if kwenzeka futhi uModiba ethinteka because ukuthinteka koModiba that means that we have to instill a new player in that position. Uba na uCross. Is Cross ready mentally if it happens? If uModiba ephuma, is Cross ready to play that position as that is a story for another day. But in that left back position so far umjida Modiba is doing very well for Bafana. So I trust him and I like the combination yakhe benombokazi because if uModiba is struggling umjida uyakwazi aphushe masekuthi-ke ubani na umbekezile Mbokazi azomkhavela adefende yonke into ekhona kuleya position leya. Yabo sama-wingers amaningi awasitholi isikhathi sokuthi-ke akwazi ukuthi adlule ngala ka left same as la ka right bafethu. Nyawulazi kudaba umjida feel like uyakwazi ke ayibambele iqine ubane na umdawu. So umdawu ngiyamthemba nangala ka right. So far I think first iback 4 yethu yawu understand umsebenzi against Canada. Sizokwenza nje into ebekumele vele siyenze. Masukuthi ke eswini. I know a lot of people bazongixeka lo. I know a lot of people they are going to say but umjida udlale kahle last game. Yes, umjida udlale kahle last game. Ama-out adlale kahle last game okubani na okuJaden Adams who was introduced. Wafika wadlala kahle benobani na benaye uSithole. Sithole started the game and he did very good for iBafana Bafana, but you have to be realistic. I think we need to come back and look at this as abantu abalibukayo ibhola. USithole udlale kahle impela, but you cannot bench uTebogo Mokoena in a game like this, and you cannot bench uTalente Mbatha. You saw how exceptional Talente Mbatha was in the last game. Yabo. So kuzoba i-challenge kakhulu for coach, but I think coach uzomchoose uSithole bona Mokoena kulesa sisu lesana, which will be a very interesting move by your coach. But ke asazi soke sizwe mina ngokwami, if it was me I would start uTebogo Mokoena with uTalente Mbatha. I would prefer I was going to start uJaden Adams, but it seems like uJaden Adams is not well. Yabo. It seems like uJaden Adams is not well. That's the reason why umjida ingayiqalanga even the last game, because it seems like umjida he's dealing with some mental issues regarding his family member passing away. Yabo. Ngathi umjida ngaba ngcono, but I wouldn't start uJaden Adams in this game. Yabo. So now ungangitshela kuma comments ukuthi isiphi isiso ungasidlalisa. Mina ngokwami I think isona sisu lesi ekumele siqale ngazo. Masukuthi ke number 10, I think inyamazo number 10 bafethu Mfokeng. So far Mfokeng is the only number 10 I would prefer to start for iBafana Bafana. Umjida he has been doing very good for iBafana in the last 2 games. So I expect him to do very good kule game eseyidlala against Canada bafethu. Ngiyayibona kila naphi so far iqinile nje iyona inje. Yabo. Ngangitshela ke wona ukuthi ke yipi ilineup ongeza ngawe lapha esiswini, but ke isona sisu sami lesi, iyona nje niyami le, yona indlela engayi-approach ngakhona igame. Yabo. Mfokeng as number 10, I think that works both team and national team. Umjida udlala kahle as number 10. Masukuthi ke ama-wingers I know some people are going to blame me and say, how Vana, why are you starting Utapelo Maseko with Moremi? Because the Bachita Lab by Kichima about 2. I don't know. I think it would be better if I start Moremi with Maseko. I think they complement each other. I think they do complement each other, because if you say the corner Maseko is a speedster, and Messi figure Pambili, I don't think uyayithola le support ayidinga, because it seems like uvela ngaphasi. Yabo. Mara udinga umuntu azohamba naye. Yabo, bebegijima bawu2 bagijima bawu2 bamechana ngepace. Omunye mephuma ngala aqhumana nebhola, omunye ngale asprint, because unokusprinta lo nebhola omunye asale ngala. Kanti uMaseko mesprinta nebhola kumele abone omunye ine review, abone omunye egijima ngale. Meze umbona omunye egijima le uzolisquare ibhola, same izinto eshawo ubani na oyena uMoremi. Egijima nebhola wabona ba ku review waseshaya ibhola kwashaya net. Yabo. So mina ngokwami I think ngamqalisa uMoremi with Maseko. Second half sifaka uSuna Police, maybe sizoyishintsha igame. Maybe ke simqalisa uSuna Police because he's a very good player. Yabo, singesazi kwangitshela nama comments who would you start. Yabo. The reason why I'm not starting Osuna Police is because umjida he has not been doing very good. So we say up front I'll start to Evidence Makgopa Bafethu. He is the only striker for iBafana Bafana mina engisithembayo. So iyona ke lana phi yami le bafethu ungayigxeki yami, but tell me yours in the comments.